Good morning, everybody. Uncle Bill O'Gorman here, Royal Nissan, Royal Subaru, and I've had a couple dealers and customers ask me, Bill, what do you think about the used car prices? Where are these going? What's going to be happening? So I wanted to answer that. I want to answer that today and visit on a couple other topics. So we can call this Ask Uncle Bill. Now, I've been doing this for 30 years. I've opened dealerships, trained salespeople. I've run dealerships. Right now, working with Joe Reagan, I'm having a blast here at the Royal Auto Group. And today, we're going to visit on a few different things. So, hey, come along and we'll see where this goes. Hi, welcome back. It's Uncle Bill O'Gorman, Royal Nissan, Royal Subaru. And I wanted to visit with you a little bit about a subject that can be confusing for some people. It's been a difficult topic, but I think it's something we need to have a visit on. Leasing versus buying. And when you're coming to look at our dealership for a vehicle, you have options. You do. You've got new, you've got pre-owned, you've got certified. You can lease. There's even balloon payments. What's the best solution for you and your family's budget? It's hard to say, but I can help guide you through that. A lot of folks have said, gee, Uncle Bill, I'm not a buyer. I'm a leaser. I lease after lease after lease. Other folks have never leased before, wouldn't think of leasing, can't consider it, but it's an option. And of course, we always have our certified pre-owns, tremendous savings and value on that. But leasing versus buying, right now, the family budget's taking a hit. Everything seems to be going up. We're trying to control expenses and our income's not going up with it. That doesn't change the fact we still have to maintain the cars or deal with the repairs, and it adds up. And it takes away from what you're planning on to what you have to do. So leasing, well, right now I can say leasing is an option when it has not been. Leasing is an option because you can control where you're at for the next 18, 24, or 36 months. Example, you buy the car and it's going to be about $600 a month. You can lease the car and it's going to be about $400 a month. These are just examples. But that $200 a month savings over 36 months, $7,200 up front in your family budget. You save that. So you can say, Bill, I don't have any equity. I'm going to say you got your equity up front. Now, when you own the vehicle, yes. At the end of that period of time, whether it's 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, you decide you want to trade it, it's yours to trade. You own it. But you also own it if you own with money owed, with money not owed, you have equity, no equity, it's yours. And accordingly, so is the value and what you owe. Leasing takes that out of the picture. But right now, the prices on pre-owned vehicles are up. The payments are going to be up. You may find that you can lease a new car for 3 years for a very comparable payment to a pre-owned. Now, that may not have been your first choice, but it may be your best choice. The only way that we're going to be able to sort this out and help you make the best decision is you take the time to sit with me, and we can go over a couple examples, and I can share with you how this can help your budget. The information I give you, you're able to use to make a decision on your budget, your family, and your finances. So take the time. Come see me. Uncle Bill O'Gorman, Royal Nissan, Royal Subaru, on Route 281 in Cortland. You can call me at 607-543-1215. Go to my website, thanksunclebill.com. Look at reviews, look at inventory, see what my customers say. But call me. Take the time to come see me and learn about your options. Whether you buy from me or somebody else, at least understand your options. Call me, 607-543-1215. I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.